Are you frustrated trying to learn Python and still can't find the exact roadmap to learn Python in 2026? You watched tutorials, you read documentation, but after a few days, you feel lost, confused, and overwhelmed. And the biggest problem? There's too much information on the internet, but no clear path telling you what to learn first and what to ignore. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap to learn Python fast in 2026, step by step. Whether you want to become a developer, build AI tools, automate tasks, or start freelancing, this guide will help you start the right way. Let's get started. Before we start, let's quickly talk about why Python is still dominating in 2026. Python is used for artificial intelligence, machine learning, web development, automation, data science, cybersecurity. Companies like Google, Netflix, NASA, and OpenAI use Python extensively. And the reason is simple. Python is easy to learn, powerful, and insanely versatile. Step 1. Learn the fundamentals. The first thing you need is the core Python basics. Focus on these topics: variables, data types, conditional statements, loops, functions, lists, dictionaries, and tuples. Don't rush this step. Most beginners fail because they try to jump into advanced topics too quickly. Spend 3 to 5 days mastering the basics. Step 2. Practice with mini projects. The fastest way to learn programming is by building things. Start with small projects like password generator, number guessing game, calculator, to-do list CLI app. These projects help you train your brain to think like a programmer. Step 3. Learn Python libraries. Once you understand the basics, start exploring Python libraries. Libraries are pre-built tools that make development faster. Some powerful ones include NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data analysis, Matplotlib for visualization, Flask for building web apps, Requests for working with APIs. Learning libraries unlocks real-world power. Step 4. Choose a specialization. Python is huge, so instead of learning everything, choose one path. Here are some popular options: web development, data science, machine learning, automation, cybersecurity, game development. For example, if you want to build web apps, learn Flask or Django. If you love AI, learn TensorFlow or PyTorch. Step 5. Build real projects. This is the most important step. Real projects make you stand out. Some project ideas: AI chatbot, web scraper, automation bot, crypto trading bot, personal finance tracker. Step 6. Read other people's code. One secret most beginners ignore is reading code written by other developers. Explore projects on GitHub. Step 7. Stay consistent. Consistency beats talent. If you code 1 to 2 hours daily, you can become comfortable with Python in 60 to 90 days. Remember, coding is not about memorizing syntax. It's about solving problems. Final advice. Here's the truth. You don't learn Python by watching tutorials. You learn Python by building things, breaking things, and fixing things. The more you practice, the faster you grow. If this video helped you understand how to learn Python fast in 2026, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment Python.